Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi. Today we're taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q2 S-line with the 30 TFSI engine and the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning mythos black metallic paintwork with the C pillar in matte platinum grey and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 1 litre turbo petrol engine, you get 108 brake horsepower with 200 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 10.8 seconds. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all 4 corners these 18-inch 5-segment spoke alloy wheels in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the S-line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 405 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down, you get 1050 litres, perfect for those larger, bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part cloth for maximum luxury and comfort, and both outer rear seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we had the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central screen and the manual air conditioning. Both front seats are sports seats with S badge embossed in at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel to your preferences. On the right is your volume and voice control, so there's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. The central screen is controlled using the toggle in the centre console, giving you access to satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, or DAB and FM radio stations. Underneath this we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And as before mentioned, the manual air conditioning, giving you maximum control of the temperature, speed and direction of the air for yours and your passengers' comfort. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.